The 10 rarest birds in the world. Here are some of the rarest birds in the world, each with unique characteristics and conservation stories. 1. Spix's macaw. Made famous by the animated film Rio, this bird is extinct in the wild but has about 180 individuals in captivity. 2. Madagascar Pochard. Once thought extinct, fewer than 150 of these diving ducks remain, thanks to successful conservation efforts. 3. Hawaiian Crow. Also known as Alala, there are about 115 individuals, all in captivity. 4. Cebu Flowerpecker. Found only in the Cebu Islands in the Philippines, with an estimated population of just 105. 5. New Caledonian Owlet-Nightjar. One of the most mysterious birds, with fewer than 50 individuals left. 6. Imperial Amazon. Endemic to the Dominican Republic, this bird is critically endangered. 7. Antioquia Brushfinch. Discovered in Colombia, this bird is critically endangered due to habitat loss. 8. Blue-eyed ground dove. Found in Brazil, this bird has a very small population and is critically endangered. 9. South Philippine dwarf kingfisher. Known for its vibrant colors, this bird is critically endangered. 10. Kakapo. A flightless parrot from New Zealand, with a population of around 200 individuals. These birds highlight the importance of conservation efforts to protect our planet's biodiversity. Do you have a favorite among these rare birds?